From the daily Forex.com trading desk, this is Christopher Lewis looking at the upcoming July 9th Forex session. In front of you is the euro dollar. And as you can see, the Friday session brought a lot of negativity. Not a big surprise. We had a poor non-farm payroll number out of the United States, thus having traders rush into the treasury markets. Going ahead and drawing this bearish flag that I still see here that we slammed right into based upon the knee-jerk and somewhat naive reaction to the European summit last week. As you can see, we've not only consumed that bar, but just about doubled the losses from the gains. We did break down lower to find a 2-year low. Because of this, we may get a little bit of a bounce, but I think by all measurements, by all metrics, this pair is in a downtrend, and I think everybody knows it. At this point in time, it's just a simple game of let it bounce so we can sell it. I fully expect 125 that is, to be resistive at this point, and truthfully 124 probably should be as well. So this sets up a fade the rallies type of situation where I will do so on a shorter term chart, perhaps a 4-hour or even a 1-hour, on signs of trouble at 124 or even 125. A break of the lows, though, should continue the move down. Now, it should be noted that the final target that I have for this pair is 115. I know it seems kind of extreme, but based upon this bullish or bearish flag, that is 1,000 pips, and we broke down at roughly, and I counted it from here, roughly the 125 level. So either way, we should have farther to go. And that's not hard to imagine in the situation we have right now with the trouble in Europe. So having said that, I am going to continually sell the euro. I've done quite well on it. Been selling it basically since 130, and I've sold it probably about a dozen times and have yet to take a loss. I did get hit at break even on this wild candle. However, you can see that really when you look at a chart like this, unfortunately, most traders will look at this after the fact, and I'll go ahead and zoom out just to show you exactly how obvious it is. But look at something like this after the fact and say, why didn't I just keep selling it? Well, this is your wake-up call. This is your opportunity to do just that. That is a good question. You know, even in the bar charts you can see, and many of you don't use it, but even in the bar charts you can see how clear it is, or a line chart. I mean, there's really no question at this point. So, having said that, it's a one-way trade. It's just a matter of timing. And then, of course, timing it makes sense if you use resistance. If you're wrong, the market will find resistance elsewhere. Until there's some kind of major fundamental change in Europe, and we don't see this as traders, we don't see this coming anytime soon. I certainly don't expect it. This pair will continue to offer selling opportunities.